Welcome to the Memphis Brooks Museum of Art. I'm Cameron Kitchen, the new director of the museum. This is an exciting time for the Brooks, and I thank you for welcoming me into the Brooks family. With the museum entering into its 94th year, it is an honor to speak on behalf of one of the most beloved and essential parts of Memphis's storied culture. Over the past year, your support has enabled the entire community to benefit from a world-class art museum. Over 15,000 schoolchildren experienced art educational programs recognized as among the nation's finest. In addition, your contribution to the Brooks is one of the strongest cultural investments you can make. Every dollar you are able to invest directly transforms lives and enhances the health and vitality of our city. There has never been a better time to show your commitment to the power of art and education. A contribution of just $25 will make it possible to present the world-class exhibitions and programs that make the Brooks a place for civic engagement, community pride, and most of all, great art. From antiquity to present, the art you will find at the Brooks is presented in a way that connects people across generations and diverse cultures. The Brooks is your art museum. Please consider making a contribution today by clicking the Donate button here. I thank you.